Hello! Welcome back sa inyo mga kapatid. Welcome back guys sa aking channel. So andito tayo ngayong gabi. Actually hapon pa lang. It's 6:33. So nakita nyo naman ang aking thumbnail. So let's go karting! Let's go karting! Yeah. So yun, nandito na ako guys. Dito na tayo sa racetrack. Ayan, ito na yung racetrack. Racetrack. Meron nga yung naglalaro. Isa lang. Pa-practice siguro siya. Practice siya para gumaling. Kasi tatalunin ko siya mamaya pag nagano kami. Laro na kami. So ngayon nagpa-practice siya. Ayan oh, galit na galit sa silinyador. Dadaan yan dito. Dito. Yan na siya oh. Ayan, nagpahinga na. Ayaw niya na. Ayan siya, bakit na? Bata pa siya, bata. Pero tatalunin ko yan mamaya. Tatalunin ko siya mamaya. So ngayon, picture muna tayo while waiting for my teammates. So ayun, magano lang tayo ng mga pictures muna dito. Gala-gala tayo para makita natin. So ito siya guys, ito yung mga parang pag nag-race sila dito, ayan yung yung awarding area. So ayun, medyo nakokompleto na kami. Kailangan na namin mag-prepare para sa aming pag-race. So binigyan kami ng mga staff doon ng hairnet. Hindi ko alam kung para saan, pero para pag nilagay mo yung helmet mo, so para hindi siya, ewan ko, parang PPE na rin siguro to for safety sa mga gumagamit ng helmets. It's a video. Let's go racers!
Send it to Norman.
I'll send it to Norman.
I'm sure he will look. خذ التعليمات استمتع.
So ngayon guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa naka-helmet na. Naka-helmet na ako. Lalakad na kami dito. Pupunta na kami dun sa aming mga allocated. Diyan pala, meron pala. We cannot bring phones. We cannot bring phones, sir.
No, you can't.
Okay, we cannot bring phones. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, we cannot bring phones.
Yeah. We cannot take the phone?
It's a video, sir. So, picture na lang muna. Tapos, ayun. Picture. Tapos, after namin mag-picture dyan, pumunta na kami sa mga kanya-kanya naming cart at nag-race kami for 10 minutes. So ayun guys, tapos na kami Hindi ko na videohan yung kasi bawal daw eh. Bawal daw. So titignan natin yung score, yung final result. Nakakahiya man, pero ito lang talaga ang kakayanan ko. Pangilan ba ako? Number 7. Number 7 ako. Akala ko gusto na ako eh. Number 7 pa rin. What can you say? Mush.
I didn't know you.
Ramiz and Shihab, the best driver in the world.
Oh, that's where the beautiful is.
It's smoky. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Hi. Those are the girls racers.
The last flag is black and white. You gotta see it from the back. When you see the black and white finish, you gotta count from the back. Without speed,
So the girls now are getting ready.
yes, fresh that.
So they are getting ready. Just follow the road. Go, 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 go. Just follow the road. Go. Oh my God, Rahab is there. That's Rahab. Who's next? Lamia. Number 14, Shihab.
Number 5. Shahab 14.
Ramis, number 5. Find your card.
Shahab
14 in 5.
My card.
العب العب الشغل يلا لا بس يعرف حامد
Alright, Ramis. Ramis.
عديتك مرتين عشان كذا.
So while waiting for the girls and the two boys racing, so yun, picture tapos we'll just monitoring them through the screen. So ayan, nakikita nyo yan kung paano sila nag-race, di ba? Yung mga go-kart ay equipped with GPS sensors. So kaya nakikita niyo, 'di ba? Yun, gumagalaw-galaw yung mga numbers. Yan, nakakatawa lang din makakita ng mga ganyan. So ito yung para sa second round namin naman. So number 15
Guys,
ako.
round 2. Round 2, number 15. Cart number 15 ako ulit. That's my friend. Sultan. Sultan is number 10. Number 10.
After our second race, so kumain kami agad. We have some pizzas, soft drinks for our refreshments, and then afterwards, after everyone finish eating, so ayun, makikita nyo dyan yung picture ko muna. Syempre, ako muna yung mauuna mag-picture bago sila. Tapos yun, so ito naman yung tatlo ng yung top 3 sa race namin. Si Mr. Amar, si Rami, and then si Asus. And of course, hindi mawawala yung group picture. So, ayan, with our ladies and gents. So, yung katabi ko na naka-white, that's Mr. Hamad Faiz, our Deputy General Manager. And the rest are the managers also, the staff, like this. And so before this video wrapped up, so before this video ends, I would like to thank the Namariq, our company, for sponsoring this event. It's very successful. We have fun. You know, I have a great experience doing this. So thank you very much to the whole team, to the event organizers, to our Deputy General Manager, Mr. Hamid Faiz. Thank you very much. And to Asus for, making this happen. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you! Thank you! Thank you, Abdulaziz!
والله رهف دلوقتي سوي.
Thank you, Abdulaziz. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, so pagod na. Pauwi na kami guys. Tapos na yung awarding. Pauwi na. Woo! Did you have fun, sir? Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yes, thank you Namariq, thank you Hamid, thank you Azuz. We really enjoy it. Take with him.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, of course. It was a lovely night.
Wow.
Hope we can do it again.
Inshallah. So ayan. We're done with our go-kart. Go-karting. We're going home now. So this will end my video for this week. I'm going home. We're going home. Bye. So ayan guys. Alam niyo na, pauwi na ako. So natapos din. Hindi ko na videohan yung yung pag namin kasi dahil bawal daw yung phone kasi sasaksak ko sana yung GoPro ayaw ipakabit yung yung hindi siya GoPro, yung action cam ko na Sony ayaw ipakabit doon ng KJ ang KJ nung mama na yun. So ayun, pauwi na tayo ngayon. So chill lang habang pauwi. So alam niyo na. So as I've said, this is the saddest part of my video vlog. I have to say bye to all of you. Thank you for watching my video for today, for this week. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Make sure para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga video. So yun guys, ciao!
Thank you.